Let's make 3 ingredients creamy Oreo ice cream. All you need is 2-pack Oreo biscuit, 1 mil-pack cream, and condensed milk. Mine is homemade, you can check my condensed milk recipe. Crush Oreo biscuits in small pieces. Remember, the cream should be fully chilled in a refrigerator before use. Option 1. You can use an electric beater for beating the cream. Option 2. You can use a hand beater. Beat the cream until it becomes double in volume. Beat, beat, beat. You can do it. Stay patient and keep beating. It will thicken slowly, but it's worth it. As you can see now, cream has doubled in volume. It's time to add as much condensed milk as you like. Sweetness depends on you. You can check my homemade condensed milk recipe, link in description. Again, beat for 1 more minute for proper mixing. Now, add crushed Oreo biscuits. Mix the Oreo biscuits gently. Transfer ice cream mixture into an airtight box. Add crushed Oreos on top for extra crunch. Seal the box tightly and freeze 6 to 8 hours in a refrigerator. Our Oreo ice cream is frozen and ready to serve. Creamy Oreo ice cream, ready to dig in. Perfect texture. Sweet and smooth that melts in your mouth. Better than store-bought. Must try.